How to install the roof vent fan and the solar panels. Mount the two solar panels on both sides of the tent roof. Install the fan in the center opening. The fan opening faces the rear. Prepare the roof vent fan sealing strip, mounting screws, through bolts, an electric drill, a 6 mm drill bit, and waterproof sealing tape. Install the vent handle onto the fan according to the mounting direction. Apply the sealing strip evenly around the underside of the fan flange. Trim away any excess material to ensure a clean fit. Make sure the wires exit from the gap between the fan and the roof. Drill 6 mm holes through the 4 corner mounting positions. Insert the through bolts through the roof. Install and tighten the nuts from the outside. Install self-tapping screws on each side of the fan flange. Tighten all screws securely. From inside the camper, install the interior trim ring. Secure the trim ring using the supplied screws at the 4 corners. Use a wide nozzle caulking gun and sealant to seal around the fan. Make sure the sealant completely covers the gaps between the fan and the roof, paying special attention to the area around the wiring. Apply waterproof sealing tape around the outer edge of the fan flange. Connect the fan wires using 1 square millimeter electrical wire and solder the connections. Use a pair of Mic for Y branch connectors to connect the two solar panels in parallel. After the connection is complete, the solar panels will provide 1 pair of PV output cables for the system. Install the junction box on the rear of the tent. Route both the PV output cables and the fan wires into the junction box through the upper cable glands. Route 2 flexible conduit cables through the lower cable gland of the junction box. The thicker one connects to the solar panel, and the thinner one connects to the fan. Trim the wires to the appropriate length, then strip a short section of insulation from each wire end. Insert the positive and negative wires into the corresponding lever wire connectors inside the junction box. Ensure each connection is fully seated and secure. Install the junction box cover and tighten all mounting screws. Use spiral cable wrap to organize and protect the exposed wiring. Use a 14 mm drill bit to drill a cable entry hole in the canopy. Route the output cable from the tent into the camper through the cable entry. First, use the red and black wires to connect the battery's positive plus and negative terminals to the corresponding battery input terminals on the EMT controller. Connect the fan's red and blue wires to the positive and negative terminals of the battery respectively. Ensure all wiring connections are secure before powering the system. Connect the PV output cables to the PV plus and PV terminals on the EMT solar charge controller. Finally, the wiring process is complete and the fan is working properly.